Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are doing well and good. Thanks for watching my content. Thanks my subscribers for staying with me and welcome to new viewers. You also must subscribe my channel and view watch my content. So let's talk about the video. In this video I am sharing some beautiful and trendy party wear dresses. They can also be used as bridal wear. Actually, the dresses are made with net fabrics and are embellished with some stones, sequins, and pearls, etc. Hope you guys like it. Please watch the video till the end for better experience. I want to monetize my channel and to earn to support my family. If you people support me, I can do it. Please watch my entire video to get better reward to YouTube. I'll be very thankful to you. In near future, I will sharing my own videos in which I will stitch clothes by my hand and I will record them and will upload for you guys. In that videos I will making my Eid dresses very nice and beautiful. Stay tuned till then. I hope you will like it guys. These dresses are so amazing. As you can see, every dress is a unique fashion. Every dress has unique story. And these pretty dresses are for you, my pretty girls. If you will wear it, you will look most charming, most fashionable. So please take ideas from this channel what dress to choose for your next occasion.